beginning my next adventure on my Great Loop adventure. It is getting my shoulder cuff repaired. I am at the Texas Orthopedics, and I am about to have my initial consultation today. This is a result of a referral from the doctors in Chattanooga, Tennessee. So more later as we progress. Talk to you later. Thanks. Spent time with Dr. Hardy at Texas Orthopedics. He put me through an evaluation, and he agrees that there is damage there, but he's not sure if at this point it really needs to be operated upon. His recommendation is that I do physical therapy for the next 6 to 8 weeks to see how that helps the situation. I have since made arrangements to begin physical therapy on Monday the 18th is my initial appointment with Coop Physical Therapist, which is not too far from where I'm currently staying with my cousin. So right now, we're just looking at physical therapy to get my arm and shoulder feeling better. Thanks for tuning in.